Hello all, welcome back to Shaving with Peg Leg. Another unboxing today. This one I did not know was coming in today. If it's what I think it wasn't due till Wednesday, but it might not be that, so we'll find out what it is. Okay, guess it doesn't matter. Just using my box opener. Yep, it is what I thought it was. Something I did not have yet. And how can you have a shaving channel without having tobacco? My last eBay order, or excuse me, my last Amazon order, I tried to get the balm and aftershave for this. I found the balm for $7.99. They wanted $8.99 to ship it. So I canceled that. Even though I was on the plus over 25 for free shipping, some things you can't get shipped free. Some companies still charge shipping. And the aftershave was $11.49 and they wanted $7.99 to ship it. So I canceled both of those. I'll just get them off of eBay if I want to get them later, but I have enough HC&C tobacco scents that I can use my unscented balm and unscented aftershave, the Star Jelly, to get close enough to this. I'm not going to break that seal until I use it, but got my tobacco. So I might not even get the balm and the aftershave for it, because I have, like I said, I've got so many tobacco scents up there that I could probably get close to that. And then, you know who that's from. And it is possibly going to be my last order from them ever. Unless I get over the fact that I'm mad at them and someday order again from them, but I don't know. I can't say I ever will, because I'm known to be able to hold a grudge for a while. They've just recently really pissed me off with a couple things they're doing. A gift chip. You scan this and you get something for free. But as you saw in the intro to this video, I had a big, I told you guys how I do this. I place my orders. Once my cart's cleared, I go back and I set up my order for the next month. The order for next month was going to be almost $200. Until it just really started irking me about things they've done recently. And I just said, you know what, I'm done with them. There's too many other companies out there to buy soaps from that are good soaps and cheaper, because they're not making anything anymore in their original formula. Everything now has to be CK6 at $24.95 a tub. Well, for $14.75 from Razor Company, or $14.25, something like that, I can get all the sterling I want. Damn good soap, and good scents. But I did get more of their brushes before I... It's the Green Ray. Nice and soft, synthetic. I'll wash that later. The Perrigo. Greeno? Peregrino. So like I said, forgive my butchering of the English language. That one, there's only 2 more brushes of theirs I don't have. Because I got the Solar Flare too with this order. And you know what? There's a ton of brushes out there too. And some of them are cheaper than the $20. These are good brushes for the price. They have damn good brushes for the price, but there's other ones out there that are just as good. Omega is a company that makes tons of brushes. Oh, this is a sample. I got 2 each of CAD, Good Vibrations, and Club Guy. These are their barbershop scents to go with my aftershaves, or my soaps that I don't have a splash for. So I got different ones to use with them. And this soap, I had on my list and in my cart like 4 times and took it out for different things. You guys remember they had a closeout on certain soaps in February. Well, I didn't get my money. I'd already blown my February budget for shaving supplies. And I had to wait till February. And I wasn't touching my savings. I waited till February to get, or March to get my next order in. Well, when I went to order it, they were sold out. One was Low Haiku, which was the High Karate dupe. And the other one was F-Bombs, which was a dupe or homage to Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous. So this one got put back on. Chocolate bourbon. Let's see if it's as good as the aftershave sample I have of it. I bought the sample first to try it, see if I wanted it. That's the pour. It's a great scent. It really is. You can pick up both the chocolate and the bourbon. It really is a great scent. But again, it's like Tombstone and was it Home on the Range? Where the hell did I move it? Oh, right there. On a scale of 1 to 10 scent strength wise, it's like a 3. And the other 2, when you lather them, you know how some soaps you lather them and the scent really starts coming out? Yeah, they went up to like a 3.5. And I got the Splash. So, like I said, as far as PAA goes, right now, he's in the money grab. A reason to be in business is to make money. I understand that. But there's also something called being customer friendly and consumer friendly. And right now, to me, he's not being that by raising his free shipping from $65 to $70. And he's not making anything other than CK6 formula soaps. And plus, on some of his scents, they're so weak. It's like, could you spare the scent oil a little bit? I mean, just a little bit more. I don't know if you guys have noticed that with some of PAA scents, but it's a Splash. Let's see if it smells the same as a soap. And I could take the seal off because we are going to be using this later. I'm going to upload this video, then I'm going to go I'm going to go upload this video after I make it, and then I'm going to come back and do the face shave for today. I am going to use chocolate bourbon. Stuck the damn thing right up my nose. And it smells the same as the soap. So it's not a complimentary scent. It is the same scent, which I'm happy for. It's a good scent. Don't get me wrong. It's a great scent. It's just add some scent to it. Give it some power. With a 3.5 if it's lather. Come on. Sterling hits you as soon as you open the puck. And they're this is the original formula. Because I don't need CK6. I don't need the vegan. I'm fine with the original formula, but you're not making the original formula anything anymore. To me, it's... And another thing with them, I don't know if you guys watch bbs.live on Instagram, or a lot of channels. Sterling, Shannon's, HC&C, Zingari Man, they always... Not always, but they're usually giving away soap sets. Razor companies always giving away gift cards, sometimes soap sets on bbs.live on Instagram. Always giving away gift cards. What do they ever give away? When do you see them giving away? Matthew Lawrence over on his channel, 2,000 subscribers just hit. HC&C and Razor Company gave him gift cards to give away on his channel for hitting 2,000 subscribers. What'd they do? Doesn't give back to the community at all. These other companies do, and I'm going to support them because they do give back to the community. I'm not asking for anything for free. I don't bitching that I want anything for free. I'm just saying they give back to the whole community. Everybody. No, doesn't. Ever. Never seen them give away anything back to the community. It's how you build business, not by jacking your prices all the time. It's one of my pet peeves, if companies just keep jacking prices and don't give you anything back. Oh, I wanted to show you this. I got this on finally. It took all of 1 minute after I turned the video off. When I forgot to show this last shave. It just took a little bit of soap on it to slide it up. Nope, it's a little off. But I like the contrast of the purple with the black. Alright, well. Excuse me. Alright. I'm going to do something here that I shouldn't be doing, but I'm going to do it anyways. I've never tried Good Vibration. Let's see if it's any better than CAD, or if I should have stuck with CAD. But when you offer 95% of your soaps as a bundle, and some you don't, why? That bothered me too with my Home on the Range. It's supposed to be a Good Vibration. Is supposed to be a boardwalk barbershop. No, it's not. It's okay, but it almost smells more like a woman's perfume to me. This is Club Guy. It's not a bad scent. It's just, to me, it's not a barbershop. This is supposed to be another barbershop type. Is it the same? Stick it right in my nose. It's almost the same as Good Vibrations to me. Almost. I mean, I don't have the most sophisticated of noses. But the one that's closest to a barbershop, and those two are supposed to be barbershops, is CAD. So if you're going to continue to buy PAA, if you want a barbershop scent, you can go with a CAD. That's the closest to a true barbershop that they have. Alright. that's my rant for the day and my unboxing. So, 15 minutes in, that's good enough. I'll see you guys in a little bit for a face shave. Take care out there. Happy shaves, guys.